that you make use of the 10 days in the free trial. Okay, after 10 days, you will not be able to access your free account. Okay, so let me share my screen again. Just a recap, you already had our 3 days, 2 nights, no? Naghimo na ta ani in our Shopify account. Sorry, let me just open Shopify again. So far, ano mao akong kuan. We started now with the accommodation, we started with the transportation. So, next ana is ang mga other events like food or sightseeing. So, actually, same process raman sa pag-add og event sa kanang. Wait lang for a while ha. Ga talk me. Kaya akong student assistant is a third year student no, naka-try naman siya ani last year. Usually, so ko yung cellphone. So, mo-end ni siya this Saturday. So, I have to really finish, no, before Saturday. So, I'm going to finish the demo this morning, hopefully. If dili kayo madala, we can still continue on Wednesday. Okay. So, if you can remember, we already did. This one is like what it looks like if it's done. But it's only until the accommodation. If you can remember, we add October 9 as Thursday because our trip will start on Wednesday, diba? That will be like October 9 and then October 10 is Thursday. So nag-end ta, wala ta nakabutang activities for Thursday yet because we are not yet done. Okay. So, let us go back here. If you can still see my screen, we will go back here to our 3 days, 2 nights trip to Tokyo, Japan. Matanig Thailand, I'm very excited actually because, you know, just to share, I'll be going to my first and hopefully not to jinx it or not to kanang koan no. They said you don't have to koan daw to announce it early, but I'm really excited for a new trip. No? Parang po kabalo po din. It was just like a sudden decision atong pag Friday. Anyway, going back. So, last time we had a check-in at Hotel Villafontaine, Grand Tokyo Shio Dome. Okay, based on what you've researched, that are actually like accommodations near the Haneda Airport. So, for example, after nga makarest si tourist, you'll give them time to rest syempre after nag-check-in sila. This is an early check-in ha because the usual check-in is 2 p.m. Check-out is 12 noon. So, you don't have to let your tourist wait that long. No nga, wala jud og 2 p.m. para maka-check-in, di ba? So, almost 11 a.m. naman nun siya, pero mga 3 hours pa siya magulat before mag-check-in, no? So, dili pa na siya pwede. So, ang buhatan na to is, you will have an early check-in, but they have to pay extra, syempre. What I forgot last time, for example, this one, no, sa accommodation, I forgot to add the price of the room. You can click the, like this pencil icon, or pen icon, just near this event, yung check-in. And then we add, here, the price. Oh, we already add the price, ay, sorry. So, kung na kayo mga nalimtan, ato lang ka ma-edit ni mo na siya. If you want to add links or anything, no, about the Fontaine, no, Hotel Villafontaine Grand Tokyo. Okay, we can just do this. No, we can click on the website of Hotel Villafontaine Shio Dome, copy the link, and then just place it here because we weren't able to provide a link here. Okay, so there are several powered by Google, no, nga mga link ng gawas. So you have just to choose. So, syempre, I'm going to choose Hotel Villafontaine in Shio Dome. Ayan yung siya. Okay. Although Jimbocho lang to ning gawas no, dapat siya dome unta. Pero sige na lang, for the sake na lang tayo link. But you have to be accurate with the link. Kadaghan ang nanggawas abi sa Hotel Villa Fontaine. Siya dome dapat siya dome unta siya nga branch no or hotel chain. Anyway, wait lang kay very sensitive ang scroll. Ning saka na noon siya. Okay. Sorry, wait lang ha. Ning saka siya sa pinakababaw. How do we change this, no? So, it's because of the Japan Standard Time. Kung ma'am, ni saka lagi siya dam. Okay, ang time is supposedly PST, no? Japan Standard Time. So, we go back to the PST. And then, kay usually, kung ang time gani, magdepende sa time zone, mo change pod ang arrangement of the activities. Ay, sorry. Sorry, very sensitive kayo. Okay. So, for example, you have already 3 activities that we have done last week. No, we have like the transportation, ng flight, katong car rental, and then ang kanisang hotel. Let us click a new event. So, let's say you want your tourist nga by 12 noon. So, nakaras lang siguro an hour. 12 noon mag-launch sila. So, you click new event, and then unsa man siya. Is it an activity? Is it lodging, flight, ground transport, etc.? Since it's an activity, you have to click activity, and you have to decide what type of activity. Is it an activity wherein maglaag sila? No? According to its subcategory, maglaag ba sila? Or is it food and drink? If it's going to be lunch, you're going to click food and drink. And then, lunch at, we do not know where, so we have to search restaurants near Villa Fontaine, Shyodong. So there are a lot. No? You have the Karita Shyodome, Fish Bank Tokyo, Bubbly Shyodome. So you have to choose where. You can also click to TripAdvisor. No? Restaurants near Hotel Villa Fontaine, Grand Tokyo Shyodome. For example, if you want your tourists to try Singaporean food or Chinese food or authentic Japanese food like soba. Soba is different from miso or different from ramen if you want them to like eat, no? Pero napod sila mismo sa hotel. Napod, pero ganahan ka nga sa gawas jud. Depende na nimo. Okay? This one is American food, no? This one is bar. Ay, ganahan ko ni kay koan. Ato ibutang fine dining, no? Yeah, based on the ratings, 99 reviews, daghan man og positive reviews. This is just 0.2 kilometers away from the Hotel Villa Fontaine Grand Tokyo Dome. So it's near. Wagyu oh. Wagyu beef. Sa marbling gani oh, Wagyu beef dyan oh. Japan is known for their Wagyu dyan. So, for example, if you want this, then pwede man. Oh, let us try to know more about the restaurant, Kazahana. If di ka satisfied sa TripAdvisor, pwede ka okay. So, pwede ka mo search mismo sa Google about the restaurant. Okay. So, dire sa TripAdvisor, you can't see it because it's so small in your screen. But there are details about the Kazahana nga restaurant, no? Under about, no? There is a details. You can copy this. And then you go back to your itinerary. You already identified nga sa Kazahana ka mo eat, so ang title is Lunch at Kazahana. Then, ang notes, katong imong gi-copy gikan silang about, kaning simple Japanese dishes given a contemporary twist at Kazahana. Kung walk-in ra mo, no need to provide booking details, but if you book through TripAdvisor, you can provide booking details like what we usually did sa katong transportation and sa accommodation. If wala, like walk-in guest ra jud mo, no, dili na siya pre-booked, but usually for dinners gina-book na siya, no. Like katong itinerary na mo sa Thailand is naa na siya lunch and kuan. Wala pa ko kaagto, no, manog agto pa lang, pero in our itinerary nakabutang ito sa itinerary na mo is naa na siya lunch and dinner, so probably pre-book na siya. So if you want that for your tourist nga di na siya maglisod, then you can provide, for example, this one, book through TripAdvisor. Para ensure jud inyong seats. The advantage of having pre-booked flights, or no, as in mo man jud na dapat kong flights, I mean pre-booked nga accommodation, pre-book nga meals, no, pre-book nga tours, is that rest assured that dili mo mahutdan og slots or seats, no, or even kanang room. Kaya if you go through walk-in, there's a possibility nga fully booked or you will not be entertained because you're a walk-in guest. Walk-in guests are usually entertained if entertain sila only if it's lean season. Okay? Kaya kung lean season siya, guys, it means nga wala kay sila yung mga guest. But if it's peak season, puno-puno jud, no? So it's better to have it booked by an agency or book na siya some like through TripAdvisor ba. Okay, so confirmation number sa booking ninyo sa restaurant, for example. And wala na yung nakabutang nga provider, just the website. This is for everybody. What time will you be having lunch? So for example, this will be 12 noon. No amount, because it really depends, no? If it's pre-booked and it's covered under the tour package, so you can provide pila ang amount of food. If wala gani amount, meaning depende na sa pocket ni tourist kung sayang gusto kaunon. So for example, if the meal would cost, let's say, because it's fine dining, nasa around like $100, 7,000 ang meal, or pwede man 75 na lang, no, para dito kay nga nakamahal, pwede man. Multimedia, add kag photo sa Kazahana, Tokyo. So download kag photos diri, no, nga ibutang nimo sa imuhang itinerary. For the sake of demo, I will not download this one by one. Do not copy what I usually do, ha, kay kanid sa demo ram guni para madali. So I will just search here. I will just search here na lang sa ilang database, pero dili ni siya sundon ato ta sa actual photos mo upload. Let us just put this an example nga mao abi ni ang naa sa Kazahana. Then click Save Changes. Then you also add the link. So nasa mga 1,000 to 9. 2,000 ang ilahang food. Or pwedeng Mr. C next door. Okay. For the link of their website, you can just click in TripAdvisor para sa website jud sa Kazahana. Para mismo ang website sa Kazahana ang i-direct sa imuha para pagbutang nimo diri sa link sa attachments, ang website jud sa Kazahana ang nakabutang. Again, ihilisan ang Japan time para dili musaka, PST lang ta. Pacific time. Then don't forget to click on editing. And that's it, no? Naa na dire. Confirmation number, book through, and then photos of the Kazahana. And what's nice about placing the link is if you look at the right screen here, you can see where it is located on Google Maps. That's why it's so important that we provide the link of the website or the link of the place, because it really provides us with an accurate map of where it is located, and even the website of the contact details nila, the website of the website of the restaurant. No, that's one advantage why we always provide links in every activity, like the link of the hotel, no, link sa kani kay himo-himo ra mo ganing car rental, pero like the Haneda Airport itself, we can easily identify where it is located. So as you can see, updated na to October 9, na ana siya upat ka activities. Next activity, sightseeing. I will only show you one sample and I will no longer provide three additional attractions. So you have to listen carefully because if I would have to finish the entire itinerary, it would really be like a half day activity. So I have other classes pa man. I'm just going to provide one example and then you just have to do the same for the other attractions. Okay, is that clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we click new event and then go again to activity. This time, we will not be clicking food and drink because this is going to be like a tour. So we're going to click an activity. And then after lunch, so what time na siya siguro mag-start mga 1 or 1:30, search na po mo mga places to visit in Tokyo. Places, bahala naglayo sa hotel because lag-lag naman ni siya. Places to visit. So kung Tokyo mo sa first day, pwede mo mag Shibuya sa second day. Okay, depende na sa inyo ha. No? If you want to go to like a different region, no, like sa amo, like kana for example, if sa Thailand like Bangkok ka and then the next day kay magpataya ka, then mag Phuket na pud ka on the third day. It really depends on your itinerary. Okay, so daga no na Sensoji, na ay Tokyo Skytree, Tokyo Tower, Meiji Jingu. So depende na. And then more things to do. Click na some more things to do. So daghan kaayo no, like Kyoto tea ceremony sa temple. So unsa imong mga ginahan nga agtuan nga lugar. For example, I want to go to the Tokyo National Museum. So sa Google mo yung siya tanan. Details niya. We'll go to the website to have more details about the Tokyo National Museum. And it's so nice no, when you actually search for these places, kanang murag ma-excite ka nga you want to go there no kay syempre you're making an itinerary and ikaw din mismo mag-search, di ba? Okay, so we go to the website and we look at their museum overview so that we will be provided with an introduction or background on what it is. So we copy this, we go here. So afternoon tour at Tokyo National Museum. Then we place the details here, what we got actually from their actual website. Book through, for example, it's so important that we have this booking ahead of time so that we will be secured slots. No? Okay, even kami um when we went to Cebu, no, and we visited Cebu, ano, Philippine National Museum, Cebu. So we had to make the booking ahead of time rather than walk in because they would cater us than the walk in guests. It's so important. That's why when we travel, we have to do pre-bookings daan. No? And that's what I usually do, no? Book ta kay kung walk in lisod kaayo mo ni mo na. Una ko, I feel very frustrated. Kay wala pa tong details sa to go tour. We have to book it in advance and you have to syempre mag-save on og money pud ana, di ba? Wala pa jud no, wait pa mi sa proposal so that we can also book the other destinations. We have to book the museum, we have to also book the ruins no kay para at least mas schedule pa ng tour guide. Dili na pwede nga magtuka sa kana nga lugar. Wala na book tanan. Okay, for example, booking.com, booking number, again, depende na sa imuha. Wala na yung provider because this is not like a transportation nga, like for example, Philippine Airlines ang nakabutang nga provider. Add time and price. Pila man ang example ang fee, let's say na siguro sa around uh, 15 US dollars. Let us just put that as an example. And then, ang time niya, mag-start siya at 1:30 after lunch. Pacific time, okay. Multimedia, then we provide photos. So, it's so important that we provide photos from the actual museum. But again, for the sake of demo, I will just search through their database sa any museum. No? But I will try if na sila Okay. So, daghan kay gihatag, no? Dili lang siya museum lang. So, sagol-sagol na siya. Kay, again, this is just the database. This is not the accurate photo. This is not even Tokyo Museum, no? This is, I think, a different museum. But we are just going to click kaning mga ingani. Just for the sake of demo, ha? But you have to really get the actual photos. Okay. That's the multimedia. And again, do not forget the link of the museum itself. We copy this and then we place it here. And also, click the actual museum jud. No, yes one. So that matagaan mo og actual jud nga location of the actual museum. Kasi that's the purpose of the link. Okay. Ma-attach dira ang phone details, where is it located in the map, where is their website. Oh yeah, I forgot to change. That's why ning saka siya sa babaw. I forgot to change it to Pacific Standard Time. Lantaw na to dire. Naka-Japan time siya. So PST lang ta. Pacific, not Pacific Standard Time. PST lang ta. Kay para uniform tanan. And we're done, no? Kita nimo dire. Muna siya ang time, 1:30 p.m. It's a different icon than lunchtime because the activity is food and drink. And here is activity siya. So, na-introduce ayang details, photos, siya na book confirmation number, price, and then unya ra ka kada sa tadi mo butang og price. Kung manuroy mo og night market, kung manuroy mo for example og like bazaar, kanang mga ingana like mall, shopping centers, di na ka butang og price because again, you can walk in, no, kay anyone can actually go to like a night market or a shopping center and you don't have to provide a price because it really depends on the pocket money of the tourist kung pila ilang magasto dira. Unlike this one nga, part na sa itinerary and they have to pay for like the entrance fee or they have to pay for the meal no, because it's part of the itinerary nga inclusive ang meals, so dapat na apil na po dira ang price, so maglimit ra ilang food ana nga amount like $75, but if they want to order outside of the itinerary they can. Okay, like food, like additional drinks, alcoholic beverages, they can. If you look at day one, there are 5 icons already because we already have 5 activities. No? Arrival at the airport, car transfer from the airport, the accommodation, food and beverage, and then the tour. So, we are done with our day 1. Day 2, same ra Japon, no? We go back here. Ma'am, giunsa ni pag... do you have any questions before we proceed to October 10 to 11? None? Pantay bitaw nang maghilom-hilom ra nya wa kasabot ha. Bitaw anyway, the recording is available raman. So there is no excuse to not really make this, no? Kay this is a step by step guide. You watch the part 1 and then this part 2 para makabalo mo. I-exit sa nako ni okay. So atos na lang taon ng preview niya no unsa itsura niya sa day 1. We go here on the upper right and you click here. This is preview. You go to preview, you just wait for it to load, and this is your details of the tour operator. Di ba gilis na to ang katong cover photo niya sa babaw. Then we also change the title of the tour and then the amount. Here it is, no? So na nice kayo kay na adud siya mo nakanindot pa sa naay link. That's why I really love placing the link here because na adud siya actual details asa siya sa map, no? It makes the itinerary much more pretty. And then wala na ta sa safe PDF. Ato sang humanon ang other days, no? So makita niyo mo ing ani itsura niya kung finished product. It is so nice, it's so detailed. This is what I want to see when you make this. Na ay photos, na ay links, na ay confirmation numbers. It is so nice. When I rate you, it has to be based on the completeness of your tour itinerary. All details are there. Pag it is arranged chronologically, dili scrambled nga rumble kaayo siya, no? Like it makes sense. It feels like an actual itinerary. Okay, let us go back to the other dashboard, no? So, di ba, we already made a new day. Ano man ni, delete sa nako ni. Sa pag-delete, sure. I haven't tried deleting a day before. Delete day na ra di ay. Okay. Okay, let us just, for example, we're done with day 1 and you want to add a new itinerary for day 2. You'll be going to Shibuya, for example. So, we go here on the left side and then you click new day. That's October 10 because again, no, we started our first day with October 9. It makes sense if it's October 10. You can edit the name of the day. So it's not just Thursday. You can say day 2 of Tokyo trip Shibuya tour. Or if you want other than Shibuya, depende na. Pero kung nanabi ka sa Shibuya ka, click done. And as usual, dili nakamubutan dira wake up tourist or kung wala na ano. Yeah, dili pa ningon nga check out. Unya ra ka mo check out kung human na ang tour. 3 days, 2 nights man ta dire. So, dili sa ta mo check out ha. Check out kung human na ang tour. So, unsay una? Activity. Depende na if dala ang breakfast or lunch. If wala, activity lang. Okay, ang breakfast is na naman siya sa hotel. So, di na ako ibutang diri. Like, nanay bed and breakfast or nanay complimentary breakfast dala sa accommodation. Because usually, the most common is when you have accommodation, overnight accommodation, there is always like a breakfast nga, contemporary. Nga, so, na ay, complimentary. Ano, contemporary. Complementary. So, na breakfast ng complimentary. So, take for example, we don't need to provide the food and drink on the second day because it's already understood that it's part na of the accommodation. So we'll just go with our first activity. Research na po ta. Saan na po ilagan sa Shibuya? Shibuya, things to do. Bogo kay kumukha. Things to do in Shibuya pero we'll just proceed with Shibuya things to do. Anyway, Google just understands. So depende na naman, agtuba ka sa one day Tokyo bus tour, agtuba ka sa Mount Fuji, samurai experience. In Shibuya City, you can visit the Hachiko Memorial Statue, the Ibiso Garden Palace Tower, a Place Tower. Mag-shopping ba mo, no? Sa dili ang shopping mall. Manuroy mi sa kuan, Shibuya 109. Asa diri ang taas og rating? Mas nindot ang kani siyang Shibuya Parko kay 4.2 iyang rating as a shopping mall. Yeah, it has a higher rating than the Ibisu Garden Place Tower. It's also a shopping center. May nga mag-shopping ta. Dili ta sa Shibuya Parko. Masyog grill oy. Click the website. 11 a.m. pa siya mo open. Sige lang. So 11 pa kang mubutang. Lain sa kay 8 a.m. mga to ang time, no? Nga ang mall di ay is mag-open siya 11 a.m. This is the Parco Mall. Like about us. Wala nakabutang nga about us. So na lang i-search ang Parco Hotel. Parco Hotel, Parco Mall in Shibuya. About us or this is about us. Copy. Pero kuan ganin no, naa siya mga we have blah blah. Ito lang i-edit. The store have actively sought to showcase. Okay. Shopping at Parco Mall. But I don't feel like Japan is a shopping destination. Usually it's South Korea or it's Thailand. No, Thailand mostly because it's cheaper. But let us just place it at that. No? For example, shopping ang agtudo dira sa yung mga tourist. Wala na booking kay syempre walk-in naman na siya at time 11 a.m. Depende ha kung ginahan mo visit og cafe. Imagine lang dyan ninyo nga kamo ang turista pod. Aside from you are the tour operator, you are also the tourist. What places would you like to go? Siyempre ako, I really like to go shopping other than sightseeing. So, muna shopping ako giuna diri. So, 11 a.m. No need for booking or confirmation because walk-in naman, no? Mall man na siya. Wala puti amount. Kaya syempre, pag gusto na si tourist, pila yung paliton or unsa, no? So, syempre, you need to add actual photos of the Parco Mall. But, for the sake of demo, I will just search it again here. Pero usahay wala dili accurate ang naa sa database. Usahay ka ng general ra kay nga photos ihatag. But for the sake of demo again, I will just pindot anything here, no, for the sake of like koan demo. And then we click the link, but I like the other one, the other website. This one. Just gonna copy this and then place it here. Ngano Haneda? Ano lang, ay, sayop. Sayop man di ay. Kani di ay. Sorry. Ang i-copy ang link, dili ang description. Muna na siya. Add ta sa link sa Parco. Added by Cybel. Okay. Okay. And then click done, no? So muna na ang first activity na to sa and then so on and so forth. If you want to add more, like mag-sightseeing pa mo after sa mall, human mo shopping, mag-lunch mo, or do other things, you just click new event. If it's food, you add activity and then click food or drink. If like lunch or snack or dinner. If it's an activity like you want to go sightseeing, you just click activity and it really depends upon you. You know already what to fill out. Ha, di na nako na siya. Dili na ako magkuan, ha. So wala, no. So kana lang sa for day 2 and then kamo na bahala unsa inyo mga gusto activities. Pwede siya until gabi kung mag nightlife pa jud mo, pwede kaayo basta again. It is realistic. Dili siya bugal-bugal. These are actual destinations that you would like to go on a tour. After day 2, let's say this is the last day of our 3-day trip in Japan. We click new day. So, din ako mo add diri ha kay madugaya na ta. We will click new day and new event. New event, wala na tayo laing buhaton na syempre mo check out. So, sorry, before ta mo click on new event, we edit o sa day 3. Last day at Tokyo. Departure in Japan. Click done. Okay, so this is the title of October 11 and click new event. You go to lodging because it makes sense that we have to check out. Kaya mo sa property date. Ay, wait. Let me go back to October 9. I think we can do like, ay, ito sa check-in o sa. Ay, okay, dili di ay siya, oy. Dili di ay siya. I thought it would be like automatic na kung mo click puta ka na sa tong checkout date, automatic. So, dili di ay. So, click the new event, click the lodging, and then, unsa gito nga Villa Fontaine. Oh, no. Sorry. You have to add it manually. Ano di ay? Add information manually. So, click the add information manually, lodging, and change it to checkout. Then, check out at Villa, I forgot the name of the Hotel Villa Fontaine. Hotel Villa Fontaine, Tokyo Shayado. Hotel Villa Fontaine Grand. Hotel Tokyo Shayado. Okay, so check out na. So, syempre, di na naman butang details. Yung mga butang to check out at the Hotel Villa Fontaine Grand Tokyo Shayodom. Ibutang na lang nyo sa yung itinerary ha. When you make this, you just place it, check out ka in the last day. So, ibutang nyo sa yung itinerary in the last day. On the last day. Last day in Tokyo. Okay. No need for, I don't know if you can provide booking. No need naman siguro. Kay check out naman siya. And then no need na for price kay you have already paid it once you checked in the hotel, and then you just add the multimedia. Okay. So again, you add multimedia drop on. Even if it's like a checkout, you have to provide multimedia. So for the sake of demo, I am just going to click any random photo in the database of Travify. Okay. And then again, do not forget to provide the link of the accommodation or the hotel. Hala, wala lagi na add ang link. Sorry, I have to click pa di ay. Nara. And click done editing. After checkout, so new event na pod, pick up na pod mo sa, so this is a different vehicle na pod. So you have to be picked up by, it's a ground transport, and di siya real, it's car rental. So you will be dropped off na sa airport. Title is pick up at hotel and drop off at the airport. Okay, so guest will be picked up. Ay, I forgot the time sa baba. Pick up from, kay 12 noon is the checkout. Hotel Villa Fontaine. Grand Tokyo Shayodome. Then we go to the car rentals. If you can remember, diba, there are available car rentals in Japan, in the Haneda Airport. So you go back there and you try to select from the car rental companies that they provide in the airport. Asa dira ang inyong preferred nga car rental company. So, I think we already did Nissan. So, mag-Toyota ta. Pwede man. Wow, kung makaingon og pwede man marjug actual jud no. But anyway, no, let's take for example if the car rental company, you don't want to take taxi. O ikaw no, you don't want to take taxi. So, pa-pick up jud ka. Manhan ka SUV. Oh. Kanya kung gusto ning truck. Charot. Naputay welcome no for those with PWD. So SUV or Corolla Sports HV. SUV lang oy da. Pick up oy pa jud da. Da mura bitaw. Oh, if it's in Japanese, you can just change the translation to English. Again, it depends on which country you're going to choose for your itinerary. SUV one class ng okay. Go back here via Toyota car rental company. Guess we'll Will from the Hotel Villafontaine Grand Tokyo Shiodome and dropped off to drop off in Haneda Airport. So we're just going to use Haneda Airport or Japan. Unless if you want a different airport, no, kung asa ka like for departure na nimo on the last day of the tour. So book through Toyota car rental. For example, this is your confirmation number. Carrier is SUV. Is it class 1? SUV 1 class. Dayon, Rise. SUV 1 class. Okay. What time? So, for example, checkout is 12. So, pwede man siya 12:15. Oh, ano 2:15? 12:15 p.m. Oh no, sorry. This is amount. Tingala ko man. Right, this is time. 12:15 p.m. Amount, let's say around kay kanang pick up man siya good. So, dili kay siya nga naka-expensive. So, again, let us just see na lang pila. 2,200 yen. How much is that in US dollars? 2,200 yen. Oh, that's 14.82 US dollars. So, 14 over price ko. 14.82 US dollars based on what I've researched. And, unsa pa? Multimedia. So we're going to search for an SUV. It's going to be what color? It's a blue SUV. SUV 1 class. You can search for actual photos online. You don't have to rely on database. I'm just doing this for demo purposes. Oh, I don't have the blue SUV. Kanina lang. Wala na ilain nga. Koan. Okay. But na blue, so we're just going to go with like a darker color. Maybe dark gray or silver. Pwede na. And then we copy the link of the rent-a-car, which is a Toyota. Toyota rent-a-car. Just copy the link and place it in our itinerary. Oh, it's not available in... Just going to search Haneda rent-a-car na lang. Kana na lang. Okay. It's not available as well, but we're just gonna place it there. Okay, we will go back to the checkout. I wasn't able to provide the time. No need for the price kay checkout naman siya. Time is 12 noon at the usual checkout time. And then click done editing for updating sa time. Okay, 12. Okay, kinani siya. Wala ang link. Balikan na to ang sa car rental company. Saka lagi na yung Toyota Rent a Car, charot. You just copy the link of the website sa car rental company, then we place it here in our itinerary. Okay, so naaraman di ay. Because again, the importance of placing the link of the website is it provides us of the actual like kung ano, location niya on the Google Map. It's website link, contact details. So that is what is so nice about placing the link of the website in our itinerary. And syempre, there are only 3 activities on the last day of your itinerary. You know, day 2, daghan na siya. Depende na sa inyo ha, pero do not overwork your, ay pa rin i-overwhelm or overstimulate ang inyong tourist, no? Kaya rin yung sakto-sakto na po ng mga laglaag ba? And then you also place in the itinerary ilang mga meals like lunch, dinner, na may mga snacks ba ron, no? Depende na sa inyo ha. Basta, dili na po ingon nga sa usa ka adlaw 20 ka destinations no nya. Dili siya realistic eh. Tagpila ram sa kaminuto niya. Pila ram yung oras sa kaadlaw, di ba? Makapoy po na to ang tourist. So, depende na sa inyo. It has to be realistic. But on the last day of our itinerary, the most like activities sa jud nato is departure na jud tanan, no? So, check out ka una, then mo ni siya no, pick up sa hotel, then drop off ka sa airport sa car rental. And then if you prefer the car rental, if di ka mag-taxi, no? And then the last activity, which is sa tanan nga days sa itinerary, October 11 na jud ako ma-complete. So, the new one is ang flight. So, syempre, add flight manually kay we haven't actually booked an actual flight, no? So, departure at Haneda Airport. 3 hours naman, wala to ka kung anong oras gani ang Japan. Hours travel from Japan to Philippines. Ay, wow, 5 hours and 4 minutes di ay, sorry. 3 hours kung padulong. Okay. So, departure at Haneda. And it's so important to remember that once like you are going to an airport, it has to be an hour before your actual flight or even 2 hours your actual flight because mag-check-in pa kasi mong baggage, no? At the same time, you have to undergo so many process sa flight nimo, no nya. Mas may na nga mag-wait ka dito sa mag-waiting kuan nila lounge nila. Human na katanan, no? Kay kay process, I mean if it's a international flight. So, siguro we have like 2 hours allowance. So, we checked out at 12 and then traveled and let us remember that from the hotel, so we were picked up at 12:15. So, it's a 12-minute drive. If it's not like dili siya traffic congested, it's a 12-minute drive to the Haneda Airport. So, you have to provide like an actual time when kamo depart. So, let us just estimate nga nasa around like 2:30 pa ang departure nimo. So at least it's ample time to stay in the lounge, do check-in sa imong baggages, and then after no, stay sa lounge, have lunch dira na lang sa airport although it's expensive, no, pero ingan na. Siguro nasa around mga 2:30, pwede pa 3 p.m. It really depends upon you, but you have to remember nga kung mo check out gani ka sa tourist, if you want the flight, let's say if gusto sa tourist or if you want the flight like to be like 1 p.m., you should check out earlier than 12 noon because you cannot be in the airport like 30 minutes before your flight. Mabilin ka ana, no, kay again it takes a lot of process. So, dili siya ingon nga pares lang sa lunch siya or parehas na sa bus nga bahalag 15 minutes ka before departure time makaabot ra Japon ka. That's not like that in the airport. You have to be early. So if you plan that your departure times Haneda Airport or any airport no nga sa inyong itinerary would be like 1 p.m. So you do an early checkout. So dili na kamula tog 12 noon for the checkout. So dili necessarily nga dapat 12 noon jud mo check out. Pwede mo ka mo check out og 8 a.m. Pwede ka mo check out of 9 a.m. Labi na imong flight is at 1 p.m. Although it's a 12-minute drive, but you have to be early. It's so important nga. Bahala na maghulat kag dugay sa lounge. Basta naka-check-in na ka. No, waiting na lang ka para onboarding. Pa? So, departure at Haneda Airport. Ano, Haneda Airport. Since it's like 5 hours, and let's say your estimated departure would be like 2:30 or 3 p.m. So, naka sa mga 8 p.m. abot sa Pilipinas, no? Estimated travel time is 5 hours and 4 minutes. When we say estimated travel time, there is still room for like adjustments or delays ha. Okay, dili mo exactly nga maabot siya kag 8. That's not realistic, diba? So itong usually mo kuan like para sana gatuo ka nga 6 a.m. imong biyahe sa fast cut. Oh, naabot mga galauna kay dagan kay mga delay, guba ang kuan, no? Guba ang barko, ngana. Or in short like and then dili na sila easily mo take off lang kay personally one time nga na delay og 1 hour ang amo ang flight sa Cebu Pacific from Manila to Cebu. Or was it? Oh yeah, Manila to Cebu jud ayo. Manila to Cebu. Na delayed to or no, it was Palawan to Cebu. Na delayed to 1 hour kay kuan pa daw ko no ang airspace kay congested. At that time kay ko kasabot mo, oh grabe congested jud ang airspace niya. Mag-need jud ang each aircraft og like ample airspace. Mawis sakto nga term na no. Sakto nga airspace should to land. Di na sila pwede magbasa-basag land. Dungan silang duha ka buok, tulo ka buok at the same time. Di mo na daw kuno pwede. So, that's also one of the reasons. Pwede maintenance. So, again, dito kabalo. Kita, igo na mo arrange itinerary. In the actual trip, we really do not know what will happen. Okay? So, estimate time travel time is 4 hours and 4 minutes. Estimated time of arrival. Estimated lang kay dili jud ta confident nga mo nino but approximately nga na estimated time unsa na tang dila estimated time of arrival in the Philippines. Charis, Philippines. Estimated time of arrival in the Philippines. 8 o'clock p.m. Example na na. K-time, so tibotang 3 p.m. ang flight. October 11, duration 4 hours. So lang himog 15 minutes. Okay, wala may 4 minutes diri sa duration sa itinerary. 15 minutes ang pinakaubos, no? Instead of Japan time, you will have it PST lang, Japan, or Pacific time. Pacific Standard Time. Book through Philippine Airlines. Confirmation. Char lang ang number. Airline, Philippine Airlines. Flight number. Char lang niha. Ay, sorry. Terminal 3. Terminal 4. Okay, so seat class, for example, okay, for first class na Japan, for first class. It's just an example ha. And then, ang price magdepende. So, pila man na ang plane ticket? Or sa Philippine Airlines, pila ilang plane ticket? For October 11. Pero I don't know if na available flights, ano. Dali lang jud, Philippine Airlines. Return from Japan. Tokyo to Bacolod, for example. Kita sa kong likod eh. October 11. Pwede ba ka-change? 11 ko mo uli. Sample ra na unya 8 ang arrival. Ano, sorry. 11 di ay. Ang depart is 8. Ano, no, sorry, 9 di ay. Nalimot na. Depart is 9. Wala yung flights available. Grabe. Return. 11. One passenger. Kung gusto economy, gusto ko kuan. Premium char, business class. Pay search tab. Pila jud ako mabayran. Charmer tinuod. It's 134 Japanese ni or kuan. Philippine peso. 134 Japanese yen. 134,000. Ginoo ko, kamahal. Unyo, pili pa kag time. This is 1 p.m. What if mag 3 ta? Wala na yung more flights. Ito na lang ibutang ko 134,000. Hala po silang ticket. Kinuong ko 134,295 para kauli og Pilipinas. How much is that in US dollars? 134,295. 134,295 yen to dollars. On 904 US dollars. So, nakabalo na tapila atong maplite. 904 US dollar. Ay, wait lang. Yeah, syempre, at pa tag photo sa airport. No, failed. Ako sa ning i-close kay basin nang tiurok na ako ang internet. Ito. Wala, I cannot put photos. Di ko ka-search. Basta, mo tag photos, ano. Di ko ka-add og photos. And then, add the link also of the Haneda Airport. So, add lang kag photos diri and link of the airport and then click done editing. Wala na tayo photos, no? Kay, wala, di na ako kasulod sa kong Travify. Ano ni? Ay, wait. Na-log out ko sa kong Travify. Sa to nga ko, account. Nalimot ako sa kadagan ako gimong account. Yes, Ronard.
Ma'am, excuse me kanang sa picture ma'am ba sa departure ma'am ba sa Philippines ma'am or sa
Sa
Tokyo?
Haneda Airport, dito man kaning agto. Dito ra ka mo kuan.
Ah,
Wala, I cannot log in. Nakalit ako log out sa akong Travefy account. Wait lang. Ito ko ang profile. Di ko ka-log in, kalagot. Actually, kang after na to no, nahuman na mo sa inyohang agto mo sa preview. So, mo man yung itsura sa preview. Magdali na lang ko kay basi mo log out rag kalit ba. Di ba mo ni siya ang preview ninyo. Mo na to itsura sa preview, di ba? Na ang tulo. Inyo na i-review tanan. After ana, you click PDF kaning sa babaw. Mahuman na gani mo and you see that you are satisfied with all the itineraries here. Even on the last day, like mo ni siya no sa Tokyo. Di na tawag ang mga vouchers. Kanina lang, siyang mga places ra. So, after ana, mo click mo PDF. So, you go to preview again, you click preview sa babaw. I don't know what happened to my Travefy account, why I can't access it. So, you go to Travefy, and then here is your like, kung ano nyo na mo, hindi siya ang inyong itinerary. Then you go to preview. So, na ito ang preview, 'di ba? After you click preview, mo ni ang manggawas. So, you review each day. You click October 9, you click October 10, and you also click October 11. You review every day of your itinerary if kompleto tanan ng details dira. And if you are satisfied with the preview, you click PDF. Then do not click the condensed version, you click the expanded version so that you'll be provided with a summary. Then done, click to download. After that, this is what you will see. You will get a trip summary. So nakita nyo diri gamay ra. I'll just zoom in ha. Ganing kalit log out ako sa Shopify account. I do not know why. That's why we really have to finish, you know. So, if you click the expanded, do not click the condensed. If you're going to download the PDF, you have to click the expanded version. Then click to download, and this is what you will see. You will see the cover page and the amount sa tour package, no details mo as a tour operator, the link of your company, the logo of your company. So tanan hana kamoy mo customize. This is not ready made. You have to customize everything. The logo of the company, the photos sa inyong cover photo, tanan. You have to really explore. You just go back to the part 1 of our demo recording. Then you will see the trip summary per day and it's allotted time. Okay? So makita naman ni mo ni tanan diri guys, mo ni siyang itsura niya. Detailed niya nga places, asa siya moagto unsay activities niya kung sang oras. Then this is the detailed part na with the booking details, with the time, the background of each place. Yes, na ay question.
Good morning, ma'am. Kanang ano, ma'am ba? Like, depende naman pila ka book ang events, ma'am, na sa day
Yes,
1,
it
abi,
really
ma'am.
depends on you as long
Or
as
like,
it's realistic and it's doable on the part of the tourist. Yes, another question.
thank you, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Same ra nag airlines ang arrival o sa departure, ma'am.
Pardon? What was that again?
Same ra og airline ang
It
departure o
depends
arrival.
upon. So, for example, there are some international there are countries, no, outside of the Philippines that they have multiple airports. Pwede ka, example, if you want to stay at a different region in Tokyo, or, no, sorry, if you want to stay at a different region in Japan, no, magtuabi ka sa may other places ni Japan ha. Aside from Tokyo, let's say you have other places nga ginabisita sa Japan. So, pwede ka dito nga airport kaya dito ra ang duol. You don't need to go to Haneda again just to depart, no? Wait lang. There are several regions mong in Japan. We have Okinawa, we have Shikoku, we have Shogoko, Hokkaido, no? So, Tokyo is in Kanto region. So, for example, if you want to go to Okinawa, no, in Japan, you don't have to go back to Tokyo just to depart pa Pilipinas. If there is like an available airport there, like let's say day 2 of your tour, day 1 is go focus mo sa Tokyo, no, sa Kanto region. And then on day 2 you want to transfer to Okinawa. So the rest of your second day is dira sa Okinawa, but you have to check into a new hotel. So medyo kuti na pod no, kaya you have to check into a new hotel na pod on the second day. And if you decide nga dila na lang ka mo overnight sa Okinawa, on the third day mangita ka direct airport nga near sa Okinawa, dila na lang ka mo depart. Airlines depende. So for example, if pag-arrive nimo ning sakay ka og Philippine Airlines and you want to go like Cebu Pacific ka for departure, pwede ra pod na siya. So you have to provide those details again in the third day of your itinerary. In here, Philippine Airlines raman tanan na akong book siya sa Philippine Airlines ka website. Philippine Airlines ra pod ang airline company. Depende na. So if you don't want that, if you prefer another airline that can also travel in the Philippines, and you have to really make sure that this airline company does travel in the Philippines, then you have to place that in your itinerary. Pwede ra siya na. The freedom is all yours, but again, do not exaggerate your itinerary. It has to be realistic. The number of events per day, it depends upon you, but it should not be too much nga ma-overstimulate po ng atong tourist. So in my case, like for example, we're just going to visit like 5 to 6 places in day 2. Kaya naka-check-in naman mi sa day 1, so day 2 like 5 to 6 places, depende sa duration. Like I want to spend 30 minutes at this destination and then an hour on the second destination. It really depends. And you have to make sure that they have to be back sa hotel at 9 p.m. You don't have to go like beyond 9 p.m. or 10 p.m. kay basin kapuyo na si tourist. They have to pack. So, medyo short ra gani ang trip, di ba? Kung sa Conburg kagamay ra sa 3 days, 2 nights, no? Pero, it depends, no? If you want nga maglaag pa sila sa day 3, sa buntag, and then hapon na sila mo, or gabiin na sila mo uli sa Pilipinas, pwede ra pod. Basta, ang ako lang is 3 days, 2 nights. Di sila pwede mo lapas ana, no? 3D2N ra ang ato ang itinerary for any international nga lugar. Pwede pod siya local destination, basta ang duration na sa atong itinerary is 3D2N or 3 days 2 nights. Yung ani po yung itinerary gipakita sa mo. So yung ani, kasi kabalo na mo no kung ma-employ mo sa tour and travel agency, kabalo na mo itinerary. Kay mura man na ginapakita usually as for proposals. Wala na diri appeal ang tour package lahi kay naa siya costing. Any questions? You have any questions, guys, before? This is the sample, ha? But again, this is an incomplete sample. I haven't finished day 2. Only one activity lang, one attraction. And then, for October 11, nakumpleto man ako noon siya until departure. Tulo raman ako activity manggod sa last day. On the first day, kulang pa siya kay afternoon tour. After guys, afternoon tour, na pa another destination and then dinner. So, wala na ko nahuman diri sa October 9. Kay, again, for the sake of demo. Kay, gilog out na ko sa Travify. Pastos ko. Log out ako kalit ni Travify. Cannot get in sa kong own account. Good thing is I can still see the preview of the itinerary I just made and we were able to finish until the last day. And then again, just choose the expanded version so that you can have both the summary and the detailed jud nga itinerary per day, and also appeal na ilang mga confirmation numbers, prices, and time. So after that you have seen all of this, no, the detailed and the summary of your itinerary, I want you to print this. It should be in a short bond paper in a clear I would prefer clear book, pero mapod lagi na no kanang bulky na kay siya, gamay na kay mo space sa faculty. I don't have my own office. Before ginapa-clear book ko na siya for filing sa to ang CHED monitoring, no, kay appeal man ni sa to ang projects nga ginapakita. I don't have a tourism laboratory, so we're just going to make do with clear white folder. Ayaw na lang guro is sliding, kuan na lang, i-fastener na lang. Kay last time nag-sliding gasigig ka detach ang pages, no, and kuan kay siya, like annoying kay siya. So it should be a clear white. Please follow my instruction, no, I implore you. Kay ang uban sa inyo wala ka follow instruction, you're all college students naman. It should be clear white sliding folder, white ha, transparent, clear white transparent sliding folder siya, pero kuha lang ang sliding nga part, ilisi lang siya og fastener so that dili jud ma-detach ang pages from the folder. And again, you should use your own name sa inyong itinerary as a tour operator or the travel specialist. Okay? So, short bond paper lang. No need naman sa font kay naa naman siya daan sa Travefy website. Again, please make sure to finish it within 10 days because the free account for Travefy is only 10 days. After that, you will not have access already to your account. Okay? So, muna siya. Download this, then you print. Short bond paper lang. I don't like the long one. Masipusan ko sa letter. Naanad ko sa research nga letter size. Oh, nice kay lantawon if detalyado ang itinerary with photos. Kanira yung departure one ako nabutang photos kay nag-error na siya, no. Gi-log out ko niya. Nadakpan na guro niya nga daghang kog account kay panghimo. So anyway, wala na siya. So more questions before we have our attendance checking. I have another class at 9:30. I am so late na. Deadline, end of October. This is enough time na should to make the itinerary. But again, you're only allowed 10 days to access the account. So, you have to really make it in 10 days. Okay. Kung na ba? So, Good Friday na ba tong foundation day? Unya, next week, walay klase tibok semana. No? Di na ako makig-meet nyo sa Wednesday para makasugod na mo. Pero basta mahadlok pod mo nga magputol-putol niya, we have to. Kaya again, kung mahuman ang 10 days ninyo, niya di mo ka-access yung account, you have to make the itinerary again from a new account na pod. So, sayang inyong nahimo na. Magula naman po may mga questions, so we will have our attendance checking na. The recording of this demo will be available in our Google Classroom. I have to upload this in our YouTube first. And then please just watch the part 1 and part 2. I do not want to repeat myself. If you have questions that are not in the recording, please ask away. But if it's in the recording, you just watch the recording, okay? I do not want to repeat myself because I would sound like a broken record. So, it's already there. You just have to watch the recording. No need to ask me again, okay?